So now we're going to go over toys for torque.
First here are the heavy sabers. So I have a blue heavy saber and I rotate it. I have a red heavy saber and I rotate it. And I notice the rotation for one of them is much easier. I can rotate it, I can change its rotation much easier. This one is more difficult to change. Why is that? Next up is the Iwans. These guys here are the Iwans. And I can do the same thing, but the point of this one is I hold an Iwan from the edge and another Iwan from the edge. And one is more difficult to rotate, one is much easier. I can flip it around and I can do the same thing and see now they're both easy to rotate. And now, oops, now they're not. So what's happening here, what must be inside of these PVC pipes, where is that mass? There's one mass located. How's that mass located in the PVC pipe? The last of the activities is the toys for the torque. And that can be either this piece or that piece. And the idea is one group member will grab one end with their thumb and forefinger and rotate it. Another group member will grab their thumb and forefinger and rotate it the other way. And who is always going to have an easier time with the rotation? Is it this person or is it this person in that competition? Backside is the tumbling torque tournament. And that's these two pieces right here. We have two masses, not at the end of the stick, but a little distance away. And so these two masses are identical, the same stick, the same location, the same mass. And so if I tilt it just a little bit, say a few degrees from the vertical and I let them go, well, they fall identically. But the question is, if I now make sure the clip is on the outside so it's not in the way of the fall, now these identical sticks, same length, same mass, if I again tilt it a few degrees and allow them to fall on our bounce pad so it doesn't make noise or scratch the table, since they're the same identical sticks, do they fall identically? Make sure you have room when it rotates. Or will one stick fall much easier than another by the way the mass is distributed? That's the question to think about before you test out this idea. And always make sure to wear your safety goggles.